Hey, Katie. So I was just curious. I'm just going through and finishing your observation here when you were having some of those technical difficulties. And it really wasn't, I don't think, a technical difficulty more than maybe not knowing how to use a certain tool, but I could be wrong. So whenever I break out my kiddos into breakout rooms, say I've got 4 different rooms, and say they're in the room and they are going to perhaps do a word problem like your kiddos were doing. So say you know, they've got their problem, 2 times 2, whatnot, and then you want to go and have kind of a share out at the end of class. Well, what you would do is when you get back into the main room, and maybe you did this and it still wasn't working, but if you go to tools and if you go to whiteboard, you can actually copy all of the breakout rooms to the main room, and it will do it for you. You don't have to take screen grabs or anything like that. So I only used room 1, so I'm not going to copy those rooms. But if you had 4 different breakout rooms, you would, and they would all copy to the main room. And now if you arrow over, you'll see breakout room number 1 is now in the main room, and the kids can have a share out that way. Now, maybe again you did that and it still was just pasting the multiplication.com website. But another thing that I thought maybe you were trying to do was maybe you were trying to just take a screenshot of the kiddos breakout room. So for example, if I say I went here and I took a screenshot of the Cast-O-Matic here. Hold on, see if it. So maybe this is what you were trying to do in the breakout room. So once you get your screen grab here and you go back to Blackboard, you can't just do like a text box, which is what I feel like you were trying to do. Rather, what you're going to do is make sure you're on your pointer tool. You're going to right click and paste page. So again, you might have already done or even know about both of these things, but I just thought I would create a screencast really quickly to show you. All right, hope this helps.